welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account without any stress. So let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook account. Then have you opened up your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to click on this particular profile icon right here. So if you have a multiple page, next thing you need to do is to click on here and then select the page you want to use. I'm going to use this page right here, so which is already been selected. Next thing we want to do is to click on the page name right here. It takes us right here. Okay, now this page here, I'm going to link it with my Instagram account. And for us to do that, what we want to do is to make sure, then from the page right here, next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on professional dashboard. Then it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply scroll down and we make sure we go to settings right here. It's going to take you right. It's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply scroll down, continue to scroll down, and make sure you click on linked accounts. Then you have Instagram not connected right here. Next thing you need to do is to select Instagram, and this is going to pump up. Gain to by connection your page to your Instagram. Here, when you connect your page to Instagram, share stories, post across Facebook and Instagram. So that is one of the things you get when you connect your Facebook page with your Instagram page. Manage comments, messages from one inbox. It simply means that you can reply to DM in your Instagram and at the same time, you can reply to DM from your Facebook. Create Instagram ads. That's another option. That's another thing you get when you actually connect your Instagram with your Facebook page. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on connect account. Then you are here. So just like what you see right here, after connecting your Facebook page, the page name, Instagram people who manage the page or Instagram account will be able to manage tags for both profiles. Depending on people who assign access, this tag may include content and ads, insights, messages and comments, settings and permissions. So these are the stuff you can do between the two accounts. So once you connect them together, next thing you need to do is to click on continue right here. Then right here, you'll be asked to log in with your Instagram username and password. So I'm going to enter my Instagram username right here. Then password. Having entered the username and password, next thing I'm going to do is to click on login. Here we go. So log into Facebook interface using your Instagram account. So you can simply click on login as this. And you are fully connected. Head into your business profile. So this account here has been fully connected with your Facebook page. So just like what you see right here, this account here is ready to be connected together. Next thing you need to do is to click on continue. So just like what you see right here, the account has been fully connected. You have access to manage this particular Facebook page. So you also have access to manage this as Instagram, just like so. Then here you have this connect account right there, which simply means that the account has been fully connected together. It's that simple. So finally, you need to review the connection of the Facebook page with Instagram. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply go back to your Instagram account. I'm going to click on here to open my Instagram account again. They have you open up your Instagram account. Next thing you need to do is to click on here, go to your profile. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on edit profile. Then scroll down right here. Here, click on confirm page. Let's take you right here. Review your page and Instagram connection. Click on continue. Then what happens when you connect your page from Instagram? People log into your Instagram account may be able to manage feature on the connected page like post, story, business contact information. Click on continue. Then right here, people who manage the connected Facebook page may be able to manage Instagram features like post, manage and comment, message and comment, hands and connection on them. Future people can manage on Facebook depend on their page role. You can review page role later in the page setting. Click on continue right here. Confirm your Facebook page and Instagram connection. Right here you have a page admin or editor connected to this and to this. Confirm this connection and access all features across Facebook and Instagram by logging into your Facebook account. If you want to connect another page that you are an admin of, you can also switch the page connected. Simply click on confirm connection right here. Review. This particular review your Facebook account will be used to connect a Facebook page. If you would like to use a different page, Facebook account, you can switch it now. Simply click on continue. So basically, this is how to simply connect your Facebook business page with your Instagram handle, just like what you see right here. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Facebook and Instagram topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.